This is 47 Pond Park Road, part of Maverick Knolls Association, HOA. This is the one-car garage, and that's the stairway leading up to the front door. You have a closet. And to the left is the bedroom, which can also be used as an office space. It has a closet in it, so it could be used as a bedroom as well. Nice view from the outside here. This is the hallway leading to a bathroom on the left-hand side. Full bath, walk-in tiled shower. Hallway leading again to the kitchen. All new appliances. Laundry room, hot water heater, nice sized living room. You can see the sliding glass doors leading to the porch, leading outside. This is the enclosed porch, beautiful wood. Couple of skylights. Beautiful view outside of the stream. Running today. We had a nice rain yesterday. View of the back of the house and the porch. This is a view of the kitchen from the living room. View of the hallway. The downstairs bedroom slash office space. This is the steps leading up to the second floor. At the top of the steps is a second full bath with a bathtub. Another closet in the hallway. Bedroom number 2. Notice the beautiful views from the window. Trees. Closet. Bedroom number 2. Again, the beautiful views. Another closet. The hallway. Another closet. The master bedroom. You can see the views. A double closet for the master bedroom. And a third full bath. This another one with a bathtub.